do know how to unplug you. And don't give me a...
In 3/4 of a mile.
Yeah, there.
I don't know why there's not a pause.
Yeah, I was just gonna say, the one thing that I would have really thought they would have figured out is that people have to do. I mean, everybody.
Well, they do have a thing called add a stop, but
Yeah.
I think when you hit on that, they're wanting to know, oh, where do you want to stop, and I'll put that in here for you.
Yeah.
No, it's up the street.
Yeah,
It's just stopping here.
This is just a temporary deviation. I
Yeah.
mean,
Yes, I do know that.
spur of the moment even.
Okay. While you are gassing up,
Yeah.
you're on top of this. I will...
Well, at least I think it's being consistent. 255, 270.